Evaluation of the patient with obesity, we do the evaluation by BMI, which is body mass index. And what is body mass index is the weight in kilograms divided by height in square meters. So weight and height gives the BMI. Underweight is less than 18.5. Normal BMI is 18.5 to 24.5. Overweight 25 to 30. Severe obese 35 to 39.5. Morbid 40 to 44.5, and super is 45 to 50. Then the waist circumference is the another method of evaluation of obesity, and this waist circumference measurement we should stand straight. Make sure the person stands straight and wrap tape measure above your hip bone. That's the point where the measuring tape should be during the waist circumference measurement. Not too tight, and take reading. And usually in men, that's the scale for the men, and this is for the women. Below 94 centimeter, 37 inches in men, and below 80 centimeter and 31.5 inches, that's in the low risk for women. Then medium risk is 94 centimeter to 102 centimeter, 37 inches to 40 inches in men, and 80 centimeter to 88 centimeter, 31.5 inches to 34 inches in women. And then very high risk obesity is 102 centimeter and 40 inches in men, and 88 centimeter and 34 inches in women. That's for the waist circumference.